It is so hot outside, isn't it, Lucy? Lucy, is it hot outside? She's out there for like a minute. And she just came in and laid down. Poof. Anyway, here's some more of our plumbing here in the utility room. So we've got the washer and dryer over here. And then we had to run some hot water for our coffee bar. Coffee altar is what we like to call it, because that little corner is going to be cabinets and countertop, and it's all about the coffee, basically. And then on this side of the room, over the back door, we've got hot and cold water running there. We needed a hot and a cold. We needed to run water over to the kitchen sink, so that runs over the kitchen sink. And then this hot water, because we had cold water run under the concrete for the bathroom, but we didn't have hot water, so that hot water line goes all the way down the hallway, through the wall, and into the bathroom right here, and then it splits off when we have hot water for the shower. Here, hot and cold water, because we had cold in here already, so that's for the shower. And then this hot water goes all the way over to the sink. And that's not the sink that's going to be in here. That's our utility room sink. And sorry for the wiggling, but I just wanted to shoot a quick video and show you. Here's the plumbing where it comes into the house, where the water comes into the house. So there's like a million connectors. And we have hot and cold water going through that wall back in there, and that goes into my my shop. So FLH gets its own hot and cold water. There's our main shut off right there, and yeah, the cold for the shower. Oop, where am I? Cold for the shower right there. So I get to dig that pit out today so we can put the drain in. And right now I'm hanging up these little plates. These are usually for electrical, but we just want to make sure we don't pierce into any water lines. So I'm putting them up wherever the water line goes through the wall as well. So that's it for today. Bye. There you go. You're on again.
Yeah, that might be.
Huh?
In the same spot for 28 minutes. Forever.
No, but I just thought you moved the camera, but that's okay.
And,
Yeah.
you were filming, man. No, I was filming.
Oh, sorry. Alright, so here we are in the Feels Like Home shop. You can hear the echo. And let's see, we put on the primer, so it looks whiter than white right now. Got a little mud touch-ups that we've done, so I'm waiting for those to dry. And then we'll be painting. We'll be painting on our colors. And there we go. The rest of the house. Haven't done a whole lot. Of course, we got our tunes playing as always. There's the garage. So, I don't have any more sheetrock up in here yet. There's our colors for the rest of the house. I can explain those a little bit, I reckon. So, let's take a look in here. I'm putting in our Ethernet. I don't know if you can see that little gray line there. I just got in drilling holes for that. That's going out to Jerry's shop so he can have internet out there without having to worry about a weak Wi-Fi signal. And then I'm also drilling holes up there to put Ethernet through to the FLH shop. It feels like home for those of you that are new. So we don't have to do so much Wi-Fi. We'll use Wi-Fi anywhere else that we need it. So this is the half bath, and you get an idea. There's some tall ceilings up there. So basically, there's the vents, light, of course. And then there's the hookups for the vanity for the sink. There's an outlet on the wall. And then over here, since the toilet is so far away from the wall, because I am not a professional designer, and so my design failed or was read wrong or something, and the toilet is way more than 18 inches. I think it's 2 feet away from the wall actually. So we're going to build a cabinet back there to cover that up, so no need to sheetrock that. And we ran a cold water line to the master bath from there, because we already have a recirculating hot water line that was embedded in the concrete for that bathroom. So we ran this cold water line through there, and I'm not sure where that goes. It goes into the wall and disappears. I don't know. But so we'll have a cabinet there, and then an open area, and then shelves all the way up. So that'll kind of close that in a little bit, and we'll have this half bath functioning soon, because we're going to use that. We're going to use that in place for our functioning bathroom while we're still working on the 2 full baths. So this will be our functioning bathroom. We'll get this completely done. We're going to paint, and I'm going to prime it today as soon as the mud dries, and then we'll paint, put tile in. I don't know which order exactly, but the floor is going to be tiled, painted. You know, we'll get the vanity set and get it pretty close to being finished. I'm not sure if we'll get the trim on it and everything, but then we're going to finish one of the full baths so that we have a functioning shower. And once we have the shower in place, I think we're going to start working on the bedroom next and get moved over here so that we can start finishing up our old house and get it sold. Because the sooner we get it sold and get everything moved out here, the sooner this will get finished. My shop will be open before the end of this year, but whether the house is completely finished by then or not, I don't know. So we've lived in an unfinished house for 6 years, so who knows. But I know we're both motivated to get this done fairly quickly and not fool around. So that's an update. Today is July 25th, 25th, 26th, something like that. So stay tuned. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've had a video, and not a whole lot. We've been working in other places. So take care. God bless. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.